Welcome to ET 715, Seminar in Learning Theories. This is the course overview. We're going to get started by taking a look at the first section. The first section starts with the welcome, and you are watching the course overview as we speak, so the next screencast you're going to watch is Meet Your Professor. Following that is course communication. Here you'll find two forums, course announcements and ask a question. In course announcements, this is where you will receive any updates, information about the syllabus, general things that the entire class would need to know about the course. These are items that the professor will be posting, and you will get an automatic email announcement notifying you that there's been an update. And ask a question. This is where you'll be encouraged to post any questions that you would like answered on behalf of the course. Maybe it's about the syllabus, maybe it's about an assignment, but post questions that you think other students might also benefit from as well. If you have a specific question or something that is a little more personal and you'd rather get a direct answer from the professor, then go ahead and send the professor an email or give them a phone call. Other than that, feel free to post in the Ask a Question section. Then we have course documents. Here's where you'll find the syllabus, as well as a student survey that you will need to take prior to starting Module 1. So make sure you do that next after you're finished with this. Then finally we have course resources. In course resources we've got two sections. We have online resources and writing and reading resources. The online resources include 4 specific subscription-based services. These are all free services, so there won't be any charge. The first is called Mendeley Reference Manager, and this is a subscription-based service where you'll need to create a username and password. This is actually going to be a requirement of the Masters in EdTech program, so all of your professors in this program should be using this particular service. So if you may already have an account, if you do, you don't need to create another one. But if this is your first course during the program, then definitely create an account. The next service is Google. If you have a Gmail address, then you already have a Google account. We'll be using the different services under Google. So there are steps on how to actually create a Google account. If you click on each link, it'll go through all the steps. Then there's SlideShare. SlideShare is going to be something we'll use in the first module, so make sure you have an account ready to go before Module 1. This is going to be a free tool that allows you to upload PowerPoints and create a web-based environment for your PowerPoint. And then finally we have Prezi. Prezi is also a presentation tool that just provides a little more interactivity and some interesting effects that allow you to zoom in, zoom out. It's pretty nifty. So these are the 4 online resources that you'll need to make a username and password for. Feel free to use the same username and password for all of them. It just makes it easier to remember. But certainly if you already have an account in existence, you don't need to create another one. And then finally we have writing and reading resources. These are important because there will be 2 specific assignments where you'll need to write your research and cite your sources in APA format. So we have the first link here is some video tutorials on APA, and these will take you through how to cite your sources in this format. The second link is just a quick guide on APA guidelines and how to cite different types of writing materials. So whether it's a journal article or a book, it gives you step by step on how to do that. And then this final link is out of Harvard University, and this is just really an opportunity for you to review reading habits so that you can get the most out of your reading and comprehension. So that is the course overview. Please make sure you go through each of those sections and get familiar with the course.